as you can tell, these glasses that I have right now, I got my little Chromebook here and it's being reflected from the glasses. I literally wrote like a script right now because I can't remember anything in my entire head here, so I'm gonna try and explain my way things here. And my Chromebook here just have like little notes. My notes, I'm like a whole paragraph of what I'm gonna say because I'm gonna forget everything. So let's get started. So right now, this is my ASMR. ASMR. Today we're gonna be talking about some macromolecules. If you don't know me, my name is Alex. I'm sitting in the back of the classroom, but here we are. As I said, macromolecules. Now, you must be asking, Alex, what is macromolecules? Macromolecules are like little polymers that are made up of monomers. So now there are four main macromolecules. Four main macromolecules. Would you like to answer that? I will hear you out. Awesome. Alright. Well, to cap things off, let's start off with the four main ones. We got the proteins, we got the carbohydrates, the nucleic acids, and we got some lipids. Now, I'm gonna go. Right now, what I'm gonna do is for each main macromolecule, I'm gonna relate them to foods. So, like for example, carbohydrates are gonna be like with bread, proteins could be some kind of meat, etc., etc. So let's start off with carbohydrates. Now, I was gonna show you guys some bread, but before I was gonna record, I really couldn't find any bread. I just think look at substitute. I was like, okay, what else could have carbohydrates, right? So none other than El Milagro tortilla. I know tortillas have some carbohydrates, because El Milagro tortillas, they have carbohydrates. Now these carbohydrates they serve as a fuel to get you energized. They also have sugar and polymers of sugar. So yeah, tortillas are a great source of carbohydrates. I eat these as a daily. If you're like Hispanic or Latino, you might be eating some tortillas on a daily basis because that's what you eat. It's really good with everything because like I say un taco, yeah, like a taco, and that's pretty much it. You can be bomb. So yeah, so that's for carbohydrates and that's for tortillas. Now let's get started off with lipids. So when I think of lipids, I think about fats. That's the only way that I'm gonna remember lipids. So a little fun fact is that lipids are very hydrophobic. So for example, I have an unsaturated fat here. I think they're unsaturated. Yeah, no. Butter is unsaturated. Oil is saturated here. So if you think about it, when you're cooking, I don't know if you guys cooked or not, but like I've cooked before, and it's a pain in the butt when you have a little bit of water in the pan. Okay, so hear me out. So you're turning on this, like the oven, and it's heating up. The pan's heating up, right? And you put some aceite, some oil in the pan. So when you put the oil and you got some water here in the pan. Sorry, got thirsty. Water in the pan. And this oil will freaking jump out because they don't like water. They're hydrophobic, which is why you feel that oil jumping on your skin, which burns. Anyways, so yeah, that's just why fats are hydrophobic. They don't like the water. Don't ever do it again with oil and water on a pan, because then you're gonna feel some pain. Anyways, for saturated fat, we have butter. Butter goes good with everything. You can make some grilled cheese, some pancakes, some desserts with this batter. I got salted butter here right now, so girl, my hands be oily. Anyways, now for nucleic acids, I didn't have, coming from my head, I didn't add anything else. I know cereal is like a 2-to-1 combo here. You get some nucleic acids and carbohydrates. I know some fruits have some not carbohydrates, but nucleic acid, also vegetables. Let's see if I can get an apple here. Alright. So this apple has nucleic acids as well. There are polymers that are made up of nucleotides. So, as we all know, nucleic acid has two types of DNA and RNA. So yeah, that's pretty much it. They have nucleic acids here. They also some stuff that are researched that our food were like spinach, some cabbages, and I think a lot of vegetables also has a lot of nucleic acids. Now for proteins. I think about like as meat and all that. Proteins are molecule structures of polypeptide that is folded and coiled into a 3D structure. For an example, what I have here is an egg. An egg has a lot of proteins. It can be used in many ways. So as an example, like I use butter, and I just like to cook some scrambled eggs, some fried eggs. I think that's pretty much it. Or sometimes your boy will use some carbohydrates and heat up some tortillas and just fry these tortillas and make them like a tostada shells and fry some eggs, and that's how you get your protein, your carbohydrates, and you get some lipids from the oil and butter, and then you get your proteins here and nucleic acids from tomatoes. Sometimes I put onions on top of the eggs, which has a lot of flavor. So yeah, so you can, as I'm trying to say here is that these four main macromolecules are going to be everywhere when we eat. We're going to have some protein, we're going to have some nucleic acids, we're going to have some lipids, there's going to be some fats around in the foods, we're going to have some carbohydrates. See, like when you go to a restaurant, you're going to see some like appetizers, or there's going to be like a side dish, like an Olive Garden, they could give you some breadsticks, which has like a lot of carbs. They're going to get your water, your soda. I know pasta, so you sometimes boil them in water. Pasta has a lot of carbs as well, and there's going to be some meat that has proteins. In order to like cook the meat, they need to use some lipids, which is fat, like oils or butter. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to explain off here. So I think I'm done here. Plus, I feel like I'm talking a lot. Take your time for your senior exams or your exams that you're watching this. So thank you for watching my ASMR video, and for you graduating, my seniors. I'll see you guys next week on Saturday. We're actually gonna be graduating, and for all my other underclassmen, good luck on your exams. Don't stress too much. Try your best, and thank you. And as a little message here. Thank you for teaching the whole entire AP classroom, and thank you for taking your time teaching and helping everyone. I know this year was not the best, but you really helped everyone, and thank you. Alright, this is me saying bye, and I'll see you guys later.